Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simran Khaire. So today's video is going to be about how I created this look by using the products which I bought from this Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So if you want to know how I created this look, so you have to stay tuned till the end. And without any further ado, let's get started. Yeah. So the very first thing which we would be doing now is the skincare. As you can see, my skin is absolutely dry and it is bare shell. I have not put any oil or anything on my face. So the very first product which I would be applying on my face is going to be a moisturizer. The second thing would be the sunscreen, and उसके बाद I would be using a strobe cream. So let's do it. Yeah. So this is the Cetaphil moisturizer. I actually love it. I use it and it actually hydrates my face a lot. So I would be taking this amount. I would be applying everywhere on my face, even on my neck area and ज़्यादा करके on my nose, because ये जो part अगर आप देख सकते हो ना, this actually gets too dry. मुझे बहुत चिढ़ होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, because बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाता है वो एंड फिर इरिटेट होता है, यू नो. So this is how I apply my moisturizer. Okay, so even I'll apply it on the neck. Do not forget to use skincare products on your neck area. The only reason because फिर ये जो है ना, this start looking black. So do your skincare on your neck part too. Okay, I do it personally. That's why I'm suggesting you. It's all your call that if you want to, but I would suggest कि करो. So the second product what we have is this. This is the Dermaco sunscreen. This I would be applying first. Okay. अभी हम एक्चुअली कंफ्यूज कि पहले सनस्क्रीन लगाते हैं या स्ट्रोब क्रीम, बट आई यूजुअली प्रेफर अप्लाइंग सनस्क्रीन ऊपर एंड उसके बाद आई वुड बी अप्लाइंग अ स्ट्रोब क्रीम. दिस इज़ हाउ आई वर्क. ओके, सो करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग एंड फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम से राइट स्टेप फॉलो करूँगी. आई वुड बी अप्लाइंग माई दिस सनस्क्रीन बाद में एंड फर्स्ट आई वुड अप्लाई माई strobe cream, but usually this is how I do it. Okay, and do not forget, winters ho barish ho, do not forget to apply sunscreen because it is important. हम ये कर देते हैं, लेट गो कर देते हैं यूजुअली कि नहीं ठीक है अभी किधर बारिश है, सन नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, बट एक्चुअली सन के रेज जो होते हैं वो पहुंच जाते हैं हमारे स्किन तक. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू अप्लाई sunscreen, and even if you're applying any makeup now you should apply it. Okay, so as you can see I've applied it. Okay, yeah. So the first thing which I bought from this Nykaa Pink Friday sale was this strobe cream. It is by MAC Cosmetics. So this is how it looks. Okay, so we would take a little bit amount, not a little bit actually more, because I love this dewy thing on my face. मुझे मैट नहीं इतना पसंद आता बिकॉज वो ओरिजिनल नहीं लगता. आई फील कि वो थोड़ी पता ना, मेकअप करके कोई भी स्किन ओरिजिनल नहीं लगती, बट बेसिकली दिस गिव्स यू लिटिल बिट शाइन ऑन योर फेस. सो आई अप्लाई लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ इट. ओके, सो आई विल अप्लाई इट ऑन माई फेस एंड देन did you saw like the glow it gave to my face? Like I can see here it is shining, here on this side, this there. Like loved it. So this is how it looks. So now I would be doing my base, and for that I would be using the normal foundation which I have. I didn't bought any kind of foundation, color corrector, concealer or loose powder in this sale because I was having it. But why I'm doing this thing in front of you guys to try out this, because I told you कि जो जो प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने लाए हैं वो सारे मैं इस वीडियो में यूज़ करके आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ the look which I am gonna create. First, I would love to apply a concealer. I would be applying this Swiss Beauty HD concealer pen in the shade 02 creamy beige. Okay, so I would take this. I would just twist this little bit. I actually love this applicator. ये बड़ा मज़ा आता है मुझे इससे ऐसे गोल गोल करके ये करने में. So I'll just do it here also because I want this part should get highlighted. Okay, so here, a little bit here, and baki I don't think so I would apply it. Okay, and now we would be using this particular brush from this set. This is the concealer brush, this Swiss Beauty brush set, and we would be blending it. Okay, so I would just blend it. ये मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ना that I'm painting my face by using this brush. I don't know, because being very frank मैंने brush के साथ ज़्यादा काम नहीं किया है. So because to try out how brushes work usually on my face, that's why I took this product. Yeah, so let's blend this too. Yeah, I think so फाउंडेशन ब्रश से भी हो जाएगा. So फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं. Yeah, so after concealing, this is how my eyes look, and I'll just blend this stuff with this foundation brush because वो ब्रश से नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से. Okay, so now I would be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is in the shade 22-8. I'll just take a drop of it, like a pump. That is sufficient for me. I don't usually apply a lot of foundation. So here, few drops here, few drops here. Yeah, so I have applied foundation wherever I required it, and now I would be blending it. So this is how I usually blend it. So I just tap it and remove it. Take your time to blend your foundation, because the more you blend, the more good finish you'll be getting it. So yeah, a little bit on my eyelash too. Yeah, so this is how the foundation is applied on my face with the help of this particular brush. I loved it. Like the way it works, it is mind blowing. I won't mind to use this particular brush for this blending thing. Like बहुत अच्छे से blend हुआ है. As you guys can see, I would take one more pump of this foundation and I would apply this thing on my neck. बिकॉज फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा अनइवन लगता है, बहुत गंदा दिखता है यार कि आपका इतना पार्ट ब्लैक एंड दिस इज शाइनिंग लाइक आई स्वेयर. चलो टेक दिस यहाँ पे भी. So now it is looking better, I think. Okay, so now फटाक से हम अपना फेस सेट कर लेते हैं, and for that I would be using this Swiss Beauty compact brush. and I will be using my normal this loose powder, which is by Maybelline. It is a Fit Me loose powder. I would be taking it, I would tap it around, and I would be just setting my eyes, under eyes. Yeah, so we won't dry out our face totally because winters are there, तो ज़्यादा पाउडर नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. We'll just set our under eyes with the powder, and बाकी वही जो बचा कुचा प्रोडक्ट है उससे ही हम अपना पूरा फेस सेट करेंगे. Yeah. So अभी now I think my face is set. It is done. सिर्फ थोड़ा सा अंडर आए कि यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा था I should use little bit of powder. थोड़ा सा लिया. So now my face has been set, so the base has been done. Now the main thing comes. Okay, eyes also we would be using the same brush. Yeah, so now I would be filling my eyebrows first, and for that I would be using this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. So we would just quickly comb our eyebrows and fill it from the other end. So as you can see, I have just comb my eyebrows, and I would be taking this thing. From this end I would be filling my eyebrows. So this is how I do. Yeah. So on this side also we'll do it quickly. So as you can see that I have filled my eyebrows, and I would just comb it once more. अगर कहीं पे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट होगा सो वो इवन आउट हो जाए इसीलिए. Yeah. So this is how my eyebrows look after using this pencil. Yeah. So now my eyebrows are done, and now we would be doing our eyes, and for that I would be using this Chotu Sa palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So we would be using 3 shades only. So this would be this 2 shades, and this I would be using for base. ये थोड़ा सा deepness लाने के लिए, and this glitter shade, we'll figure it out which glitter shade we would be using. So let's see. So this is how it looks. It is so good. I love it. Okay, and to blend this out we would be using this Swiss Beauty brushes which we got from that particular brush set. So now I would be taking this shade एकदम हल्के हाथ से. So even on this eye. So now the base is done of our eyes, and we would be using the darker shade, and here we'll just keep it on our outer end. Yeah, bus. So as you can see, the eyeshadow is blending very good with the help of this brush. Yeah, so now I think we are done. Yeah, so now as you can see that my eye base has been done. Okay, and now we would be using this metallic shade thoda sa. Okay, and we would be just doing it in our inner corners. Okay, so let's do it. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं, शादी में नहीं जाना है हमें. On this I also will do it थोड़ा सा. Yeah, so my eyes are done. So you can use this particular 2 shades for your office or maybe for your college look, but these 2 shades are meant to be for parties. Basically बहुत ज़्यादा इसका pigment है, and now we would be using this e.l.f. का eyeliner to just make a small wing liner. I would try to make it on camera if possible. नहीं तो मुझे off camera ही जाना पड़ेगा because it is difficult for me to just hold one like a mirror in my hand and दूसरे हाथ से मैं विंग लाइनर बनाऊँ, बट फिर भी आई ट्राई. I'll do it. नहीं हो पा रहा है मेरे से. I'll do it off camera and I'll get back to you. Okay, so as you guys can see that I have done my eyeliner. Okay, so now I would be doing my blush, and for blush I would be using this ELF Cosmetics का Duo palette. So in this Duo palette you get a blush and a highlighter. So let's use it. So I would be grabbing and I would be just doing it. So as you can see, it is pigmented. Okay, so over here on this area, so do apply it on your cheekbones. So as the winters are here, you can always apply on your cheeks. It looks cute, I would say. Yeah, so if you guys must be wondering कि मैं यहाँ पे क्यों देख रही हूँ, because here my screen is there and I can see it, इसीलिए. So just forget me for that thing, and even sorry for the noise, really sorry for it, but can't help it because शूट जहाँ कर रही हूँ बेसिकली, मैं जहाँ पे शूट कर रही हूँ, इट इज जस्ट बिसाइड दी रोड सेक्शन. मतलब रोड पे बैठ के नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं शूट, बट फिर भी बाजू में ही है. सो यू कैन ईयर लिटिल बिट ऑफ कार नॉइजेस here and there, so please bear that time. Okay, so little bit here. So as you can see that the blush is looking great as of now. So now let's move to the highlighter. For highlighter we don't have any brush in this particular brush set, so I would be using my normal highlighter brush. So let me grab it fast. Okay, so I would be taking a little bit of highlighter, actually a lot. Let's see कैसे यूज़ होता है. I would be applying on your, I would be applying on this side, थोड़ा बहुत on your nose and over here. I don't think so highlighter की ज़रूरत है ज़्यादा, because already this skin, if you can see यहाँ पे मैंने नहीं लगाया, but then too it is giving you that glowing effect, I would say. So यहाँ पे अगर आप देख सकते हो, it is already glowing, so I don't need a highlighter, but फिर भी किसी एक्स्ट्रा ग्लो नहीं पसंद अपनी फेस पे, so for that I would be using this, and I would be using little bit of highlighter on my eye bones also, just down there. Yeah, so done. I would be using little bit of highlighter on my inner corners also. For that I would be using the same brush by Swiss Beauty, जिससे हमने हमारे eyelids पे metallic shades use किए थे. So I would be taking little bit of this, डस्टिंग द एक्सेस, और यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा. ओके, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे. या सो इट इज़ लुकिंग ग्रेट. द हाईलाइटर इज नॉट चंकी एट ऑल, सो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे और. So as you can see that I'm obsessed with it and I can't stop using it because I'm not getting over it. So as you guys can see that I have done my makeup. It is totally done. So I'll just quickly curl my lashes and apply some mascara on it, and I'll just get back to you. So here I have. So I have done my eyelashes. I have curled them. I have put on the mascara and everything else. Yeah. So as you guys can see that our face has been done, but it is still incomplete because we didn't apply anything on my lips. So for that I have this Swiss Beauty lip and cheek tint, and even I have a ELF lip plumping gloss. So first I would apply this tint and then I would apply this gloss. So let's do it from hands only. So I would just take this and apply it on my lips. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it looks damn pretty. Like, it is good. I love the shade. Yes, so now we would be trying out this ELF lip plumping gloss. So we would take it बहुत ज़्यादा, I don't know, and let's apply it. Yeah, so as you guys can see that I have done my makeup and पूरा makeup एक अच्छा glowy finish में आ चुका है. Yeah, so as you guys can see that I have done my hairs and everything. Now it is time to set our face, and for that I would be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fixer. I got this as a free goodie, so I would just spray it, and do not spray it on your hair. So I would keep my hand like this and I would spray it. Just a second, huh? Yeah, so this is how the final look has been turned out. Yeah, so this is the look which we created today, and if you liked it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and even don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, so the products which I have used today, I have made an unboxing video regarding that, so you can go and check that out. So I would be giving the link in the description box below. So till that, bye and stay tuned.